Imagine this. You return home after a weekend trip, excited to unwind. But as you open your refrigerator, a pungent smell hits you. The power went out, and now your fridge is a graveyard of spoiled food. The cost of replacing all that food can be staggering. This is where food spoilage coverage in your homeowner's insurance comes in. Food spoilage is a common problem that can happen due to unforeseen circumstances. It might be a power outage, a malfunctioning appliance, or even a natural disaster. The financial impact of losing a refrigerator or freezer full of food can be significant. This is why it's important to understand what food spoilage coverage is and how it can protect you. Food spoilage coverage is a valuable feature offered by many homeowners' insurance policies. It provides financial protection if your refrigerated or frozen food spoils due to certain covered events. Essentially, this coverage helps alleviate the financial burden of replacing spoiled food. This can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in unexpected expenses. This type of coverage typically comes into play when your home experiences a covered peril. These perils can range from power outages and mechanical breakdowns to natural disasters like hurricanes or severe storms. It's important to note that not all scenarios leading to food spoilage are automatically covered. Understanding the specifics of your policy is crucial to ensure you have the right level of protection. Food spoilage coverage typically kicks in when the cause of spoilage is a covered peril under your homeowner's insurance. Power outages are a common example. If a storm or grid failure cuts off your electricity, leading to spoiled food, your insurance might help. Similarly, if your refrigerator breaks down due to a mechanical issue and causes food spoilage, your policy might offer coverage. However, it's crucial to understand that coverage varies from one insurance provider to another, and not all causes of food spoilage are covered. For instance, if you accidentally unplug your refrigerator and forget to plug it back in, this is unlikely to be covered. Intentional acts or negligence are typically excluded from coverage. Food spoilage coverage comes with certain limitations and exclusions that homeowners need to be aware of. One crucial aspect is the coverage limit, which refers to the maximum amount your insurance company will reimburse you for spoiled food. This limit can vary significantly between policies and insurance providers, ranging from a few $100s to a couple of thousand. Furthermore, there might be specific exclusions outlined in your policy. For instance, certain types of food, like expensive cuts of meat or imported delicacies, might not be fully covered or require additional coverage options. Understanding these limitations and exclusions is essential to set realistic expectations and avoid surprises when filing a claim. Section 5. The Endorsement Advantage. Is your food spoilage coverage active? This is a crucial question that many homeowners overlook. While food spoilage coverage can be a great safety net, it's not always automatically included in standard homeowners insurance policies. Imagine the frustration of discovering spoiled food in your refrigerator after a power outage, only to realize you're not covered. In many cases, it's offered as an add-on or endorsement that you can purchase for an additional premium. This add-on can save you from unexpected expenses and provide peace of mind. This means you need to proactively inquire about this coverage with your insurance agent to see if it's already included in your policy. Don't assume it's there. Always double-check. If you don't have food spoilage coverage and want the peace of mind it offers, you can typically add it to your existing homeowner's insurance policy. This small step can make a big difference in protecting your food and your wallet. This often involves contacting your insurance provider or agent and requesting the endorsement. They can guide you through the process and explain any additional costs. The process is usually straightforward, but it might involve an adjustment to your premium to reflect the added coverage. Ensuring you have this coverage can save you from future headaches and financial strain. Section 6. Securing your spoiled groceries. How to add food spoilage coverage. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure your groceries are protected in case of unexpected spoilage. Adding food spoilage coverage to your homeowner's insurance is usually a simple process. It can provide peace of mind knowing that your perishable items are covered in the event of a power outage or refrigerator malfunction. Start by contacting your insurance agent or company. This initial step is crucial as they will provide you with all the necessary information and guidance. Let them know you're interested in adding food spoilage coverage to your existing policy or getting a quote for a new policy that includes this coverage. Be clear about your needs and ask any questions you might have. They will guide you through the necessary steps and provide you with the required forms. These forms will detail the specifics of the coverage and any additional costs involved. Be prepared to provide some basic information, like your policy number, coverage details, and the value of the food you want to insure. This information helps the insurance company tailor the coverage to your specific needs. The insurance company might ask you about your home's location, safety features, and any previous claims to determine the premium adjustment. These factors can influence the cost and extent of your coverage. Once you agree to the terms and conditions, the additional coverage will be added to your policy. This means your groceries are now protected, giving you one less thing to worry about in case of an emergency. Protect your pantry. Don't let food spoilage ruin your budget. Food spoilage might seem like a minor inconvenience, but the financial impact of replacing a refrigerator or freezer full of groceries can be substantial. Imagine opening your fridge to find all your fresh produce, dairy, and meat spoiled. The cost of replacing these items can quickly add up, creating an unexpected financial burden. This unexpected expense can strain your budget, especially if you're already dealing with other costs associated with the covered peril, like home repairs or temporary accommodation. These additional expenses can make it even more challenging to manage your finances during a stressful time. Food spoilage coverage provides a safety net, ensuring that this unexpected financial burden doesn't derail your finances. By having this coverage, you can rest assured that you won't have to dip into your savings or cut back on other essential expenses. The relatively small cost of adding this coverage to your policy is often outweighed by the potential savings in case of a covered event. It's a smart investment that can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Having this peace of mind allows you to focus on recovering from the event without worrying about the added stress of replacing your spoiled food. You can concentrate on getting your home back in order and taking care of your family's needs, knowing that your finances are protected. Beyond reimbursement, additional benefits of food spoilage coverage. Food spoilage coverage offers more than just financial reimbursement. Many insurance policies with this coverage also provide assistance with mitigating the damage caused by spoiled food. This might include covering the cost of professional cleaning services to sanitize your refrigerator and remove any lingering odors. Additionally, some policies might even offer coverage for the cost of removing and disposing of the spoiled food, saving you the unpleasant task of dealing with it yourself. These additional benefits can be invaluable in the aftermath of a covered event, making the recovery process smoother and less stressful. Peace of mind on a plate. The value of comprehensive home insurance. Having comprehensive home insurance is about more than just fulfilling a requirement. It's about gaining peace of mind knowing that you're financially protected against a wide range of unforeseen events, including the often overlooked risk of food spoilage. Opting for a policy that includes this coverage or adding it as an endorsement is an investment in protecting your finances and reducing stress during unexpected situations. When reviewing your homeowner's insurance policy, consider your individual needs and the potential risks you might face. If you live in an area prone to power outages or severe weather events, food spoilage coverage becomes even more critical. Ready to review your coverage? Contact your insurance agent today. Don't wait for a power outage or appliance malfunction to make you realize the importance of food spoilage coverage. Take a proactive approach to protect your wallet and reduce potential stress by reviewing your homeowner's insurance policy today. Contact your insurance agent to discuss whether you have this valuable coverage and explore the options for adding it if needed. A quick call or email could save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in the long run. Remember, having the right insurance coverage is about having peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way.